If you need to unlock your Varo card, follow these straightforward steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, go to the account or card section of the app. Look for options related to your card settings. Step 3. Select Unlock Card. In the card settings, find the option that says Unlock Card or similar. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Confirm your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Unlock confirmation. After successfully verifying your identity, you should receive a confirmation that your card is now unlocked. You can now use your card as normal. By following these steps, you can quickly unlock your Varo card and resume your transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Varo customer support for assistance.